Morning, class 5. How are you, students? Fine? Okay, good. So, first of all, we shall start the English lesson with the homework first. Okay, yesterday I had given you the homework to do the true false, and to complete them, it is essential for you to read the chapter. Okay, today I had solved that for you and we will discuss about it. Okay, the first one is the airport is outside the city of Paris. Outside the city of Paris. Yes, I have read this. Charles de Gaulle Airport just outside the Paris. Okay, so it's true. I've written true. Paris is built on the banks of the river Seine. It is not built on the banks of rivers because I have read here that the Seine, the river that winds through. It means it is passing through, between. Okay, so it's also true. Next. Okay. So I have solved this without wasting much time. You just check that. Only 4th and 5th are false. Rest all are true. Okay. Today we have to do the question answers. Children, don't do this in a haphazard manner or show any kind of hodgepodge because our next English lesson would be on Tuesday. So you have plenty of time to finish the work. Okay. So I had answered all the 5 questions. Okay. These are the questions. Answer these questions. So you have to just read them properly, copy them and learn them. Okay. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. It's our lesson 2, memories of a visit. Answer these questions. Paris is a beautiful city. Give 2 reasons to support this statement. Okay. As I have read in this chapter, only that reason I have written. Okay. Paris is a beautiful city because most of the buildings are made up of white stone that gleam in the sun. Okay. Gleam means shine. Okay. So most of the buildings are made of white stone that gleam in the sun, that shines in the sun. Okay. We can find rows of beautiful flowers and trees. Okay, they are beautifully colored, they are decorated and they are trimmed. Okay, there is no litter and dirt on the street. This Paris city is very neat and clean. The people of Paris love their city and they do not litter anywhere. Okay, second one. Children, here we have only 2 reasons to write, but I have written 3 because when you learn, you will learn any 2 which you find easier. Okay, next. What are the 2 things that France is famous for? France famous क्यों है? ये लिखना है हमें. France is famous for good harvest of juicy grapes that are pressed into wine. And first one is why the France is famous for? Because there are lots of vineyards in there and the grapes are pressed into the wine. Okay. Dairy farming is very popular because they love cheese. So 2 things are important, wine and cheese, and they are famous of France. Okay. Next. Children, I will post the picture of this work so you can do it easily, but in this video lesson I will just explain it to you. Question 3. How are the people of Peninsular region different from those in the rest of the France? Okay, I found the answer here. Okay, it's a peninsular region. Na? Peninsula means the land which is covered with the water, surrounded with the water, but it is attached to the mainland from one side. Okay, it is called the peninsular region. Okay, here we have the answer. How are the people of the peninsular region different from these in the rest of the France? In peninsular region, the people are mainly farmers and fishermen. Children, यहाँ पर ये fishermen जो है ना, यहाँ पे e लिखा है क्योंकि ये plural है ना, तो e है इसको ना, थोड़ा सा mistake हो गई थी. Farmers and fishermen, they are quite old fashioned. जो farmers और fishermen वहाँ पर रहते हैं वो थोड़े से old fashion है, तो उनको नई चीज़ें करना अच्छा नहीं लगता. they aren't interested in trying new things unlike the other in the rest of the France, especially in the Paris. Okay, तो पेरिस के जो लोग हैं वो नई चीज़ें सीखते हैं, नई चीज़ें ट्राई करते रहते हैं ना, अच्छे अच्छे जैसे नया फैशन आता है तो नए नई चीज़ें ट्राई करते हैं. बट जो यहाँ पे पेनिनसुलर रीजन में जो रहते हैं ना, दो वो फार्मर्स और फिशरमैन्स हैं, तो वो ओल्ड फैशन है, उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता है नई चीज़ें ट्राई करना. सो इट्स ईजियर. ना फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, it is somewhat how lengthy, so I made the points. Mention any 5 things about France that the author find interesting. The things about France that the author found interesting. Children, there are lots of things that are interesting in France, but I have written only those which the author found interesting. There wasn't much traffic and crowd. ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक और भीड़ नहीं होती वहाँ पे ना, पॉपुलेशन टाइनी है, लेस पॉपुलेशन इज देयर. लोग जो है ना, इंसान बहुत कम है वहाँ पे ना, जनसंख्या बहुत कम है, इसलिए ट्रैफिक भी कम है और क्राउड भी कम है. देयर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ गुड वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट्स, ग्रेन्स, मीट एंड फिश. और खाने की ये सारी चीज़ें जो होती है ना, जो ईटेबल्स हैं, वो सब भी बहुत प्लेंटी है, एविडेंस है बहुत. नेक्स्ट, द स्नो केप्ड एल्प्स दैट पीपल लव टू विजिट. और थर्ड बात, तीसरी बात क्या थी जो इंटरेस्टिंग थी फ्रांस की, कि वहाँ पर जो एल्प्स है वो हमेशा बर्फ़ से ढकी हुई रहती है ना, तो लोग वहाँ पे उसको देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जो सीनरी होती है, तो इसलिए वहाँ पे टूरिस्ट बहुत अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, वहाँ पे लोग घूमने बहुत जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, फ्रेंच वाइन एंड चीज़ आर फेमस इन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. ये हमारा वही जो सेकेंड आंसर था ना, वाइन एंड चीज़. ओके. The Eiffel Tower looked more beautiful than it did on the postcard. ये ना पोएट की बात थी कि पोएट को वहाँ पे है ना जो एफिल टावर है वो ज़्यादा सुंदर लगा था जैसा कि उसने पहले पोस्ट कार्ड में देखा था. तो इसलिए ये जो सेंटेंस है ना, ये पास्ट टेंस में लिखा है मैंने, ठीक है. और ये वहाँ पे पोएट ने, ऑथर ने ये नोटिस किया था कि ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक नहीं है, इसलिए ये 2 सेंटेंसेस जो है ना पास्ट टेंस में, और बाकी सारे प्रेजेंट टेंस में, बिकॉज वो अभी भी वहाँ पे प्रीवेलेंट है इसलिए. नेक्स्ट, लास्ट क्वेश्चन इट इज फ्रांस अ गुड कंट्री टू लिव एंड वर्क इन? पिक अ स्टेटमेंट दैट सपोर्ट इट. ओके, ये यहाँ पे हमें पूछ रहा है, क्वेश्चन है देखो, कि जो फ्रांस है वो एक अच्छी कंट्री है रहने के लिए और काम करने के लिए. येस, फ्रांस इज़ अ गुड कंट्री टू लिव एंड वर्क इन. बेटा कंट्री तो बहुत अच्छी है, बट मैं जो हूँ ना, मैं तो अपने इंडिया से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, मैं एक ट्रू इंडियन हूँ इन अ सेंस. मुझे अपने भारत को छोड़ के कहीं जाना अच्छा नहीं लगता, मैं अपनी बात बता रही हूँ. चलिए हम आंसर पे आते हैं. येस, फ्रांस इज़ अ गुड कंट्री टू लिव एंड वर्क इन. That means France is not crowded. There is plenty of room for everyone. This is the line I have found in the passage. ना जो चैप्टर में थी वो लाइन है, इससे हमें पता चलता है. Is France a good country to live? Yes, France is a good country to live. Okay. So this is the work. I will post the picture on ERP and along with this video also. So you can zoom it properly and write in a good handwriting and do it very slow, easily, because you have 5 days to finish it, because today is Thursday and we have next lesson is on Tuesday. Okay, goodbye class.